It's the day after Thanksgiving. It's Friday. It's around 3 o'clock. And let me tell you, traffic, people, the way people are driving, it's just crazy. It's like red lights look green to them. Green lights look red because they'll just stop dead. And then people act like turn signals do not exist. And the skinny pedal on the right only goes down so far. Well, I decided to come drive around town, see the Christmas lights. So I'm just not well today. There's not a whole lot of lights, but yeah. A few here and there. I guess people just haven't gotten around to putting out their Christmas lights yet. Right there's some. Cute. Oh well, anyway. Let's go somewhere else. Well, like I said, today people have been driving extra slow. They do not use turn signals. Or I haven't seen anybody using a turn signal today. And they act like the green light is red and the red light is green. I don't know, it's just, I guess it's just Black Friday shopping. There's some lights. Pretty. And over here, up on the hill, wow, they have went all out. Definitely. How pretty. Yep, they're in the Christmas spirit. Usually up through here, there are quite a few lights. Houses decorated, but I don't see any yet. Oh well. So here I am, out driving around, and I do that when I start feeling worried. I'm worried right now. So if you haven't heard, Donald Trump has said that he is going to stop immigration from, quote, third world countries. There is also been talk of anyone who has a green card who is from these 19 countries that are on the list, that they will have to be re-vetted. Okay, Wei is from Myanmar. Myanmar is on one of those countries on the list. Let's look at that list real quick. So here are the countries of concern. Yep, Myanmar being number 2 on it. Now, we have spent thousands of dollars on the vetting process already. We have waited. I mean, we had to wait since 2018, when we started filing, until 2021. Over that span of time, thousands of dollars were spent for fees and all that stuff, which goes to vetting. Okay. Then, once here, we had to go get a physical, another $1,000, $2,000 there, plus the trip all the way to West Virginia to do that. Then we had another thing that we had to do in Knoxville, Tennessee, which was another $1,000-something, and the time. And then just recently we had to apply to have the restrictions removed from Way's green card. That was another like $1,700. So now they're wanting to do more vetting. I wonder how much more that's going to cost. I mean, and people, I'm having to stay off social media today because people are really pissing me off. You know, on one of the news channels, local news channels, somebody was talking about their spouse being from one of the 19 countries and said, so what happens now? And you know, there was some disgusting piece of trash who replied, oh well. Yeah, it gets me, it bothers me a lot. It really bothers me. All this does. So yeah, I'm out driving around, just, you know, calming myself. It's 7:44 in the evening on Friday, having my Red Bull and driving around just to clear my thoughts. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. So here's what I'm talking about. This is WYMT, and the story is about, you know, pauses, permanent pauses, whatever in the world that means. The orange idiot can't even speak proper English. But yeah, so this is what we got. I mean, there are some comments that are okay, but look at this, the greatest leader, the greatest world leader. Yeah, okay. Good, that's how it should be. And this person, do they not know how much it costs to come here? So, I mean, anyway, I'm not even going into that. Here's one about Muslim people. Well, I tell you what, do they know that Dr. Oz, Trump's real good buddy, is Muslim? Do they know that? I bet not. I voted for this. I'm sure you did. Thank you, President Trump. This is crazy. I cannot look at this. It makes me so mad. Oh. Okay, I'm trying. Please let this be true. Oh. heart emoji speaks volumes. Yes, there's 100 and some people who gave this the heart emoji. Let's take a look at that. So here's the people who, yeah, there's me with the angry emoji. Yeah, so let's take a look at the 161 people who gave it a heart. I cannot believe it. Are you serious? Why would you heart something like that? And fully, in my opinion, if you want to see a definition of the scum of the earth, right here it is. And here's another one. Kentucky Representative Andy Barr released a statement regarding the murder of National Guard member Specialist Sarah Beckstorm. And he backs Trump's ban. Okay, let's see some of the comments on this one. Well, let's see how many hearts we got on this one. Well, less than the other one, but still. I mean, what is this, people? What are we doing? Now, there was only one time that I know of that ICE was in Harlan recently. And if you will notice, they said it was over drugs, is what they said. But I can tell you that it was not
Donald Trump
over drugs. Because nobody in that ICE roundup is listed under drugs on their on the jail website. None of them still yet listed as drug offenses. It's all immigration. But let's take a look at this.
You don't have confirmation of who he is, so you can leave him alone. He's going to remain silent. You have no arrest warrant either, so let's go. Let's go. Let's see the arrest warrant then. You don't have a right to let go of him.
Hold on. Sir.
Let go of him. Where's the arrest warrant? You don't have to talk to him. Yes, he's not going to talk to you. He's going to stay quiet. He's not going to say anything. You have no confirmation of anything. This is the third time pushing down the elevator to go down, and you're preventing us to go downstairs. You're preventing us, again, you're blocking the elevator. Third time they were trying to go downstairs.
You can go, but
He's coming with me. You have no idea who he is. Let's go. Let's go this way. Again, you're holding him without an arrest warrant. Let's see the arrest warrant, sirs.
None of them are wearing a uniform.
Let's see the arrest warrant.
There's no ID.
Let's go. Where's the arrest warrant, guys? And what's the reason for the arrest? You don't have confirmation of who he is, so you can leave him alone. He's going to remain silent. You have no arrest warrant either, so let's go. Let's go. Let's see the arrest warrant then. You don't have a right to let go of him.
Hold on. Sir.
Let go of him.
We're gonna talk to him.
Where's the arrest warrant? You don't have to talk to him. Yes, he's not going to talk to you. He's going to stay quiet. He's not going to say anything. You have no confirmation of anything.
So there was that. So now that also worries me that if we have to go somewhere for more vetting, is what they're calling it. If we have to go somewhere for that, what's to say as we leave, we're not going to encounter something like that? And I can just tell you now, I would not be as calm as that attorney was. That would be the end of me, right there. That would be the end of my patience. That would be, yeah, no, 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 no. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna say bye for now. I'm gonna drive around a little more and just, calm myself. I've got my radio show in the morning, and yeah, you guys have a good night.